In this video, I'm about to show you the comparison of UDIO AI and SUNO AI with their pros and cons. Both UDIO AI and SUNO AI bring unique strengths that shape your music creation experience. UDIO AI is often preferred by professionals for its extensive customization options. Pros may include that it's great if you want really good results and don't mind taking a little time to make it perfect. It lets you take charge where you can adjust things like genre, mood, and tempo to make music that feels personalized. However, a lot of the features that are only available with a paid plan, so it might be tough if you're on a budget, which can be a drawback. SUNO AI, on the other hand, is designed for speed and simplicity. It's super easy to use and can quickly turn your ideas into full songs, perfect if you need quick results or a burst of inspiration. It integrates well with other software, which is super convenient for adding its music to larger projects. The cons may include that SUNO's quality can be hit or miss with harder genres, and it doesn't offer as many genre choices as UDIO. In my opinion, UDIO AI focuses on personalized learning experience, while SUNO AI excels in audio and creative content generation. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.